Understanding Price Match, a guide for English learners. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're going to explore a very interesting phrase used in shopping and retail: price match. This is a common term, but it can be a bit confusing for those learning English. So, let's dive in and understand what it means and how it's used. Price match is a policy or a promise often offered by retailers. The basic idea is simple. If you find a lower price for the same item at a different store, the retailer with the price match policy will reduce their price to match the lower one. This ensures that customers get the best deal without having to shop at multiple places. To use a price match policy, customers typically need to show proof of the lower price. This proof can be an advertisement, a photograph, or an online listing. It's important that the lower price is for an identical item, meaning it's the same brand, model, and often must be currently in stock at the competing store. 1. Can you price match this TV? I saw it cheaper at another store. 2. This store has a great price match guarantee. They always match competitors' prices. 3. I saved a lot of money by asking for a price match on these headphones. While price match sounds great, there are usually limitations. For instance, some stores won't price match online retailers or items on sale. Others might exclude certain brands or products. Always check the store's policy for specific details. And that's all about price match. We hope this video helps you understand this useful shopping term better. Remember, knowing these phrases not only improves your English but also can help you save money while shopping. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English learning content. Happy shopping and learning, everyone!